vertical panels, wainscot, a lean-to, just under 900 square footage. Well, stick around and let's tour this 28 by 30 tubular metal building out here in Sanger, Texas. Hey Pack, welcome back. It's Eric from WolfSteel Buildings, and we're out here in Sanger, Texas, very close to the Oklahoma-Texas border. Denton's right around the corner, and it's about a 30 to 40-minute drive, depending on how I-35 feels that day. If you're from Texas and you know about I-35, you and me both, buddy. Alrighty, Pack, we do have a 900 square footage metal tubular building. We do have vertical panels. We do have the two-tone wainscot. We do have a step-down lean-to, and we also did extend the driveway. So stick around to tour this 28 by 30 tubular metal building. Again, Pack, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to stay updated on all metal building needs. Now let's get it. Alrighty, Pack, let's get it going. We do have a 28 wide, 30 long main structure, 10 foot to the eaves with a 312 pitch. And our client will be using this as a storage and a workshop as well. He does have a pool, and he will be using this main structure as a mudroom also, and to store his pool supplies. If you're wondering about the approach, we did extend his approach to his main existing driveway. This is a 12 wide, 25 long. And before you purchase a metal building, we do like to conduct site visits. Blanca is our site manager. She will come out and check this out in order to see what any problems we have, if we are good to build, if there's any trees in the way, if there's any power lines, setbacks, how much dirt we do have to bring. In this case, we did bring about 20 yards, a select fill, but it is important that we conduct those site visits in order to make this a reality. Now, having said that, with the driveway, we did have to come out here because if you look, the main road is down that way, and we had to bring a boom pump just to transfer the concrete and build the 28 by 30 foundation. So we want to avoid any cracks and breaking your concrete pad. Also, it is a shareable driveway that connects to his house and his neighbor. Let's move along with the building. Now guys, if you guys are wondering about the colors, we do have our rawhide on the walls and our earth brown on the wainscot, the trim, and the roof as well. Actually, now that I think about it, this color combo is getting a lot of popularity here recently. We just finished a project out there in Burleson. Abdo and I did a walkthrough and a pricing tour on that project. That one was a earth brown as well with rawhide on the walls. Please check it out. That is a very educational video because we did a walkthrough and a pricing at the same time. So please check it out. That video will be linked on the description as well. Now going back to the colors, this color combo is giving our black and white buildings a run for their money. Now, if you've been a fan of the channel for a while now, you know that our black and white buildings have been our most popular color choice. But here recently, we've been having a lot of rawhide and earth brown color combos. I like it. What do you guys think? A little bit of that Texas twang. Am I right? But talking about the panels, we are looking at vertical panels here. These are our standard 29 gauge. Remember, Pack, you can always upgrade to 26 gauge. We do have color matching screws, but something that I would like to mention is that when you do have vertical panels and you upgrade to our two-tone or wainscot option, you will be looking at additional costs. That includes additional girths, framework for the transition trim to be applied, and the extra labor and materials to make it happen. So if you're in the market to obtain a tubular building, hopefully this helps you on that journey. Again, Pack, we only serve the state of Texas. Hopefully all this information we are providing helps you as well. But now, let's go check out that lean-to. Before we talk about the dimensions, there's many ways you can design your lean-to. There's a continuous, there's a step down or drop down with many options on the drop. In my opinion, I do like the 3-foot drop just because it allows your downspouts from the main structure to stand out even more. You can add cedar posts, open frame outs with cover legs, enclosed and partially enclosed. So we are looking at 9 foot on the high side, 7 on the low side. It is 30 long and 10 wide. You can see the gutter system. You can see a downspout on the step down. That's about a 1 foot drop. You can see the downspouts on the low side as well. As I mentioned, on our tubular buildings, we do have an exact match on our downspouts with the trim color of your choice. That is pretty cool. This lean-to does have a base rail. It's a standard. You can always upgrade it, like I said, to have frame mounts and enclosed legs. But in this case, this is our standard lean-to. You will see exposed square tubing on the frame. But we do have these concrete anchors that hold down the rail, and they are anchored into the concrete as well. Here's the setup again from this view. What do you guys think? This is pretty cool, huh? This is a 5-piece patio set. It's pretty big. Again, this is a 10 wide. So hopefully that gives you an idea if you're thinking about getting a lean-to and adding some outdoor furniture. And then right here, we do have our storage bin for, I'm guessing, floaties and whatnot, pool supplies. That pool just looks awesome. But let's check out that trim here. This is our corner trim. It is the same color as our downspouts, but this is our corner trim. These are our color screws. See, a lot of builders don't apply the color screws, and if you don't do that, you will see galvanized screws, and that just, I don't know, it just looks not aesthetically pleasing. But this is what I was referring to regarding the transition trim. On these vertical panels, you do have a different framing. Hopefully here soon I'll be walking inside and I'll show you what that framing looks like. But when you do go horizontal, it's just two panels. You don't have this transition trim in the middle. That's why it's an upgrade to go vertical on these tubular buildings. Also, Pack, our client did go with 4 windows. 2 of them, which are under the lean-to, these are double pane. These are 36 by 36. Very nice, very nice. Let's walk inside. This door is a 36 by 84. It is a steel insulated metal door. You do have the option to go mobile or steel. I do recommend always go with the steel door, just because if you do choose to go with the mobile home option, it does have a little, like a little step. It is a tripping hazard in my opinion. But yeah, Pack, let's walk inside. Whoa. Check that out. That is a Ferrari or a Lambo, not sure. But this is awesome. Check out that framework. Let's go check out this framing I was mentioning earlier. Again, these are vertical panels. You can see the ribs going up and down. And this is the additional framework that I was talking about. When you do upgrade to vertical panels, we have girths going horizontal, and we do have them going vertical as well. Hopefully here you can see the transition trim. So we apply this framing, the square tubing going horizontal. You might know them as girths or square tubing as well. But that's why this is applied, so we can put the transition trim. The client will be insulating his building on his own. He did put the foam gap enclosures himself. He learned that from us, from watching the videos. So I'll give him kudos on that. And then he did apply a little spray can foam that you can buy at your local hardware store. He did apply it all around the building. Check it out. This is just under 900 square footage. Let's check out the roll-up door. The client did opt to go with this 10 by 8 roll-up door. Now these roll-up doors are corrugated steel and they coil up at the top, which creates a lot of space. If you are deciding between a roll-up door and the overhead door, please check out that video Abdel and Anadela made regarding overhead doors versus roll-up doors. It's pretty educational, a lot of information on that video. Please check it out. That link to that video will be on the description as well. But going back to the space, we just made a video regarding metal building sizes. I do recommend you guys checking out that video. It is Sarah and Anadela, and they break it down to the nitty-gritty regarding metal building sizes. So please check that out. That video also will be linked in the description as well. Reminder pack, we did do the whole concrete foundation as well. I did mention in the beginning of the video, we did do the driveway extension, which is a 12 by 25. And we also did a 4-inch concrete foundation with 12 by 12 external footings and one internal 12 by 12 crossbeam as well. And we can't forget about our notch detail. Now, for our new viewers, our notch detail, it is designed to stop water from seeping in. So all that water that accumulates right here in the opening of this 10 by 8, the water will just simply wash away. Pretty cool. We also apply this around the concrete foundation as well. It's simply a 1.5 inch notch where the panels overlap. Also, it stops critters from coming in and staying for an extended stay and not paying rent. Alrighty pack, that's about it on this 28 by 30 tubular metal building alongside with the drop down lean-to. It is raining on us. I'm about to head out and go and get some lunch. I heard there's a Portillo's not that far from here. I am from Chicago. It's been a while since I had a good Italian beef, so I'm looking forward to that. Again, pack, this project was sold by David and the Dream Team. His information will be on the screen, so give him a call if you're looking to get a tubular building or a red iron. Also, he's getting into the commercial space as well. So if you're looking to buy that big commercial property and build, give him a call. He'll help you with no problems at all. Again, we are in Sanger and we're about to leave. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell to stay updated on all your metal building needs. And who knows, maybe I'll be touring your building next.